Namaste to all. Thank you for visiting my channel. I am Shekhar Ganagaluru. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do it now as it boosts my energy to come up with more and more videos. In this video, let us understand a few things about readiness for future work, especially in view of the upcoming younger generation. In the present scenario, this subject is highly attention grabbing one as everyone has only one key question that how will future look like? Here I remember the quote of Mahatma Gandhi that the future depends on what we do in the present. We are all aware that the future will not be as cool as earlier, but it will be more challenging and opportunity oriented due to the fourth industrial revolution shall be altering the world of work permanently. From the first industrial revolution to the mass production and assembly lines using electricity in the second, the fourth industrial revolution will take what was started in the third with the adoption of computers and automation and enhance it with a smart and autonomous systems fueled by data and machine learning. And this will be inaugurating plenty of new job opportunities in the future. On the other side, COVID-19 impact. The COVID-19 is exploiting human life as well as the economy more than anyone imagined. But remember, there will be a light after the dark. The economy is systematically planning to bounce back, and that bounce back shall bring a great sunlight in the future work and future requirement. So, friends, be cool, stay motivated. The future will be better than we are imagining. I know each person in the younger generation and their parents and the teachers are having a lot of worries about the future of upcoming graduates and postgraduates. Such a few sensitive worries are: do I get a job immediately after completion of my studies? Do I get the desired job as I am expecting and interested? Do I get a permanent job which helps me to settle in my life? Do I get a good pay package to lead my decent life? Where do I get the job? Where the recruitments are happening? And what should I do to get a job, my desired job with my desired pay? These are few questions are common, but having these questions is not enough. The systematic plan and preparation can only give the answers for these questions as we are expecting. Due to the impact of COVID-19, the future business progress shall depend on the following key factors: cash management, localization, a long-term shift and strategy, digital going to get a great push, variable cost models, supply chain flexibility, building agility, gig economy or flexi manpower, and diversity in business models to handle unforeseen challenges and circumstances. I've highlighted these factors here as the same will be the boosters for creating a great job opportunities in the coming days. The upcoming younger generation needs to understand these factors thoroughly and gain the required skill set to get a suitable jobs or projects and offer the best return on investment for their future employers. Now also understand the future work requirement. The future work requirement shall not be the same as it is today. As indicated in my previous slide, the future shall be driven by cash and effective cash management. In this direction, the following will be the major future work requirements. First factor, rejig to gig economy. In the upcoming days, say starting from now itself, no permanent employment concept, no marriage for employment. Gig economy shall drive the entire world. A gig economy is a free market system in which temporary positions will be the most common, and the organization hire employees for short-term commitments like freelancers, project-based consultants, and so on. In this direction, the upcoming job seekers must be ready to align themselves with gig economy with higher level flexibility and adaptability. Second factor, multi-skilling and tasking. As the future will be driven by gig economy, depending only on a few skills or competencies shall not be making people employable. For example, to survive in gig economy, the driver should be able to perform the jobs of cleaner, mechanic, office boy, pantry keeper, and so on. Like water, the gig economy workforce must be ready to fit in any given working environment. In this direction, the future workforce must be ready with multi-skilling and multitasking to survive and excel. Third factor, pay for task completion and not for the number of hours or days. In the future work environment, there will be no fixed or monthly pay system. The salary shall not be decided based upon the number of hours or number of days you visited to the office. The pay shall be decided by cost versus output matrix. To elaborate on this, the pay will be decided based upon the value addition in the process of completion of the task or projects. Just like do this and get this concept. The persons who can add higher value to the work or project than others will be having higher demand in the future job market. Fourth factor, work from home or home office. The COVID-19 has forced the organizations to explore and conquer to work remotely by taking advantage of technology. Today, a big decisions are made through virtual meetings, and a lot more things are happening in and around of us. This situational adaptability of us going to set a tone for the culture of work from home or home office. In this direction, the future workforce needs to train themselves to get adjust to the work from home culture. It is not easy to work from home as we think. To get a real effectiveness of work from home, a change in the mindset, way of working, value system, and family support are needed. I'm sure by understanding these factors, the upcoming workforce is able to align their personalities and their competencies in line with market requirement to excel in their careers. Thank you for watching it. All the best. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.